we go. Alright. Welcome to another video. Alright, what's up? Do for this channel basically, because I actually don't know what I'm trying to do right now, and oh, this game's not starting. But I'm gonna try and commentate while playing this game. I love Minecraft, so I'm gonna try and play this game and see how I can edit my videos and see what works. So I'm gonna try and do this video today. I have not been keeping up with the videos so far. I'm gonna try and upload this by Sunday. I'm gonna try and get this one uploaded by Sunday, but if it doesn't get uploaded by Sunday, I am sorry, but I'm gonna try. I'm just trying to, get things figured out. But yeah, so we're gonna start with who am I, and just like, what this channel is about. So basically, and sorry if I get like distracted while playing this game. Basically, what the channel is just me showing you guys what I do, and how I travel, how I save money and whatnot. I thought it was I thought it'd be a pretty good idea to document because some people my age need help with that. I shouldn't go this way, actually. That's a bad idea. Some people my age need help with that because I'm like 19, about to turn 20 in like a few months. So, but yeah, some people need help with that, and not everyone my age knows how to do it, or they're just too scared. So I figured, why not show you guys how I do it, in different ways, or help you guys, oh, these are sweats, probably gonna lose this game, or help you guys with it, which I thought would be a pretty good idea. But I'm just trying to figure out how to edit my videos and whatnot. But yeah, I didn't just want to play games in the background the whole time, because I feel like that's a little bit just, I don't know. It's just, not everyone's into games, so, and not everyone knows what's going on. Like, not everyone plays Minecraft, so it'd be kind of like, my bad, guys. I had to switch games. That game was gonna be a terrible game. I did not want to commentate that because it was honestly gonna be a wreck. But anyway, yeah. As I was saying, so I'm not sure what kind of editing I want to do, but I know I'm probably not gonna do like playing games in the background anymore, because I feel like that's not like my style, because I'm not good at focusing. I stutter a lot. I got ADHD, so doing this in itself is like difficult anyway. Talking like this while playing, even just talking, while doing nothing is just difficult for me, and it's like my ADHD is pretty bad, so I'd be stuttering sometimes. I'll forget what I say. It's a hassle. But yeah, I don't think I'll be doing these anymore. I mean, I'll do them sometimes. Like, I like to stream these. I love streaming, so I definitely want to stream games, at least stream some games, even if not everyone tunes in. It's still fun to just stream them. Hopefully even get one person to watch it. But oh, let me get that. But yeah, there's this guy. Oh, this guy will come. Okay, come on, buddy. You gonna go forward? Oh, teammate, come on, teammate, hit him. Oh, he got him. Get him. Nice. Oh, nice. I did not think he was gonna win that. I do not have any faith in my teammate. Oh man, he fell. They both fell. Oh my gosh, dude. Anyway, as I was saying before, I got freaking destroyed, and there's also more like good people in this game, so this is gonna be a difficult game already. I can tell you that right now. Oh shoot, we're being ambushed. Alright, we're back playing a different game instead, because that game is just too complicated and I can't. But we're gonna play some murder mystery instead, some assassins. So, but yeah, I'm gonna get on switch games. But basically, yeah. So as I was saying, from what I can remember before I cut the footage, I'm gonna have to look back at it. I might be going off something different, but basically, yeah, I'm not sure what I want to do yet, but I'm definitely not going to do any more of this. This is going to be the last video where I just, play in the background, but I want to do more, just like day of my life, I guess, showing you like what I do every day, or like, my schedule, and just like how I travel, or the things I do before I travel and whatnot, how I save, how I budget, and just, showing you what it's like living in a different country, So I'll be doing that more instead. I think it's better. I think it's better and easier to do that, and then just, editing videos of like freaking me playing games, and just like, I think it's better and a lot easier, and I think it's more interesting. So I'll do more recordings as well, more footage of like, what I do like outside, where I work at and whatnot. So I'll do more of that instead. So I think that's like better. I'll be watching other people doing the same thing, and I think it's more interesting. It's a lot easier than just, and a lot more people can relate than just hearing me talk while playing the game, and I can also like edit the footage and like make myself not sound as stupid, because this ADHD is always kicking in. It's always messing me up, so stuttering all the time, so it's hard. But I think it's easier and I think it's better than just, you know, playing Minecraft like this, because not everyone plays the game, obviously, as I said before. So yeah, I think it'd be easier. So I'm gonna do that now instead. Try it out, see how it goes. So stay tuned for the next video. I'm gonna try and do better uploading this time. Definitely gonna keep it consistent. Oh, that guy was the murderer. I knew it. I knew it, dude. I was gonna shoot him. Oh, I saw the thing right there, and I was like, I saw that guy's little name tag there. I knew he was gonna freaking kill me, and I was too slow. But yeah, so basically, simple as that. I'm gonna start doing more videos where I'm doing that instead of just playing Minecraft. I'm gonna start doing more creative videos, and you know, just something different. So if you guys, you know, if you see this video and you want to help me out, small channel, you can reach out in the comments, you know, tell me what you'd like to see or what you wouldn't like to see, or just, you know, make fun of me. Do whatever you want. Just like, you know, anything helps at this point. So yeah, so that's it for the video. I'm gonna try to win this game now. Have a good day and goodbye.